Hi, you are watching Zoom. I am Nirali in conversation with the fun-loving and talented star cast of Single Papa, coming soon on Netflix. Welcoming Kunal Kemu, Aisha Raza, Manoj Pava, Neha Dhupia, and Prajakta Kohli for a fun-loving conversation over
Thank
here.
you.
But I happened to watch the initial 2 episodes of the show, and I found it to be a very easy, breezy watch. In the times when there's a lot of gory content coming out on OTT, I want to take you all back to the time when you guys were offered Single Papa. What was the one thing that convinced you guys into jumping into this storyline?
See, one was what you just said. Even when we heard it, or when we read the rest of the episodes, the first thing was that it was a page turner. Like, even when you're reading something that's heavy, then you kind of put it down. I remember this was one of those that I finished one episode, then I picked up the other episode, then I went through it, and I just didn't stop because I wanted to know what's going to happen. And it was very easy to read. It made me laugh when I read it, and there were moments in that really made me feel slightly emotional also. So I knew that this was going to be something that if we make it properly, will give the same experience that I had while reading it to the audiences that watch it. And very honestly, that was the first draw for me into the show.
Yeah. What about you, ma'am?
I think the same thing. I think the concept of adoption and a single parent and his journey. I think it hasn't been explored. At least in the recent past. I'm not saying कि बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मेरी याद में तो नहीं. लेकिन यही देख के मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आया कि इतना अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. कुणाल जैसा एक्टर है और मज़ेदार हल्की कॉमेडी है और लालच के तौर पे मेरे कैरेक्टर को भी एक आर्क मिल रहा था. इट वाज नॉट जेनेरिक मॉम का कैरेक्टर नहीं था, इसकी अपनी एक जर्नी थी. तो मेरा तो लालच अपने लिए भी था, लेकिन ये भी था कि आई विल बी पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग वेरी नाइस. एंड मुझे ये भी हो रहा था कि आई थिंक मेरी डेट्स का कुछ इशू चल रहा था और बहुत ज़्यादा पंगा चल गया था विथ माई डेट्स फॉर दिस शो. एंड आई हैड गॉटन स्टक समवेयर एंड आई रिमेंबर टेलिंग माई मैनेजर, आई सेड हेल और हाई वाटर, ये तो मुझे करना है. दैट वाज माई इंस्टिंक्ट कि ये तो मैं नहीं छोड़ सकती. बाकी आई डोंट नो कहीं it was very difficult for me, but I said ये तो मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी. And it was just on pure instinct that I wanted to be a part of it. It was that serious at that point. Yeah.
So what about you?
Same to same.
Same to same. Same to same.
जो आपने कहा वही मैंने.
मेरे भी डेटों का प्रॉब्लम था.
आप डेटों वाला सारा मत लो, शुरू से लिखो.
बस डेट पे लग जाओ.
डेट में फ्री था.
मैं ये नहीं कह रही थी कि मैं बहुत बिजी एक्टर हूँ
फिर ये यार कुछ यहाँ तो मतलब कुछ बोलो तो मतलब
पीछे मर जाते हैं.
ऑलमोस्ट सेम थिंग. नाइस स्क्रिप्ट, नाइस टीम ऑफ एक्टर्स और अपना नाइस नेटफ्लिक्स, अच्छा प्रोडक्शन और एवरीथिंग.
अच्छे डायरेक्टर.
हाँ, सो आप तरसते हैं कोई अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आए तो आपको काम करने का मौका मिले. तो वो आया तो उसको बस ग्रैब कर लिया कि हाँ ये करना ही है.
Yeah. Prajakta, what was the one thing that fascinated you about this concept of single parenthood?
I actually, when I auditioned for this, I didn't have anything to read. Honestly, I just had my audition scene to read. मेरी लालच ये थी that I wanted to work with Shashank for a very long time. उस टाइम पे मुझे नहीं पता था कि कौन है शो में, कहाँ. I knew it's a Netflix show. I knew Shashank is making it. So I had to audition for it. And when I did give the audition, I prayed to everyone that I could कि भगवान जी ये वाला दिलवा देना please. उसके बाद जब मिला तब धीरे-धीरे when Samar, who's our producer from Juggernaut, जब समर के साथ मीटिंग हुई तब वो हुआ कि अच्छा this is the cast and this is who's writing it and everybody's there. And then it was there's no reason to not say. तो single parenting तक तो हम तब पहुँचे कि जब खत्म होने को आया, क्योंकि तब समझा पूरा कि कैसा है क्या है. It was very new for me to be on a set with a toddler. I've never done that before. Doing like a whole family situation like this, so much chaos, comedy was new again for me, that this is not a character I've played before. So मेरे लिए सब कुछ ही नया था. And then धीरे धीरे जाके अभी पता चला. शुरुआत में तो लालच ही था कि why would you not want to be on a show like
What
this?
was the biggest draw for you, Neha?
I think for me, like the first thing when Samar called me, it was about being on Netflix and Shashank being. जब मुझे script मिली थी, I didn't know who's playing which part. And I still remember I was on the sets of Roadies. We were shooting in some remote place. Samar called me and then he called me again. He's like, "Padha." I was like, "Abhi nahi, Samar. I'm shooting day night." Finally, we'd finished a shift like at 6 in the morning after having shot 20 hours. And like Kunal said, once I started reading it, I didn't put it down. I was like, इतनी थकान के बाद मन नहीं कर रहा है ये स्क्रिप्ट नीचे रखने का. It was really fun, easy, breezy, light. And then with Shashank kind of converting Ishita and Neeraj's material, and bringing it to life, it would have been amazing. And then getting to know that, in fact, I met Kunal I remember this. I met Kunal and he looked at me and he's like, "Oh, Mrs. Nehra, you remember?" We did it. And then I was like, "What is he talking about?" I was like, "What?" I'd come back from roadies, like
Right.
45 days, we'd not met each other. And then he's like, "Mrs. Nehra." So I said, "ये तो दो बार इसने मेरे character का नाम." I was like, "Oh my God, he's playing the part." We actually spoke, and that's when I got to know. We didn't know. So yeah, I mean, fun times.
Yeah.
We're here now.
Yeah. Kunal, what was the one thing that you discovered about yourself as a father while you played Gaurav in the show?
I mean, I'll be lying if I make up something. I didn't really discover something about me as a father, but I just realized that I was very comfortable working with a child that was not just mine on a film set. And it was also thanks to the wonderful kid who was on set, Hami, who was amazing and he was adorable. And what was the only added thing was that because I've been a parent, I had some memories of my own time when Inaya was 4 months or 5 months or 6 months. So that experience let me handle the child with care, and also certain scenes I could draw from true life emotions that I
Emotions,
had.
right.
So that really helped me kind of play Gaurav, this side of Gaurav slightly better.
Yeah. Prajakta, which was the one aspect about your character that you had the most fun exploring, and which one was the aspect that was sort of challenging for you to explore?
I think the most fun was the brother-sister relationship. I think every scene that I have with Kunal or with the whole family was really fun to shoot. I would look forward to all those scenes. The most difficult, the whole एक 6 दिन का एक sked था जो हमने जो हमने रणथंभौर में मई में we were shooting in रणथंभौर on 48 degrees और उसमें मेरी as usual शादी हो रही है तो मैं
Oh my God.
शादी के जोड़े
And around
में
4 in the afternoon,
वो
the
तो
project
देख के
का
बुरा
पूरा
लगा
shot
था,
है.
oh my God.
ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक एंड
बेचारी
और
यार।
इतना
very
मेरे हर जगह
मेहंदी।
पिन्स लगे होते थे कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती
And it was outdoor.
Yeah,
Right,
outdoor.
It was
yeah.
outdoor. It was. I
She
think
would have
that's.
the mehendi.
Yeah,
I had
yeah,
oh,
yeah,
yeah.
like this, yeah,
I
yeah,
had
still
fake
remember.
mehendi also.
Oh my God.
For the first 2 days, it was. I think that is the most physically challenging
Yeah.
thing I have done in whatever little work I have done in the past few years.
Yeah.
That was the only time where I didn't know how to be. मतलब इतनी मेरे को uneasiness कभी नहीं हुई है on a film set. But now when we see it, it's fun
like-
to watch.
You don't look like you're
Yeah,
having a
it doesn't look like I'm dying, thank God.
Yeah, absolutely.
But that was tough.
Yeah, but Neha, I want to know from you, how tricky was it for you to deal with a character who wants to adopt a baby, but he has not adopted basic maturity yet?
I think just playing the part that was offered to me, you know, with sincerity, because the writing was so good. And you know, it was so elevated for as far as Gigi's character is concerned. You know, to see that journey from what he was to becoming what he actually becomes. That is the single papa, and you know, to setting this example, which you will see moving forward. But for me, I just had to be sincere as this person. And the one thing that I, you know, wanted, and the only chat I actually had with Shashank and the directors was that let's soften up Mrs. Nehra. That is the part that I'm playing. Because, you know, it's you against this family who loves this kid and wants this kid. And if you become like this really vamp-like person, you're going to be hated as opposed to being accepted for doing her job. So that's the demarcation I wanted to have. And then, you know, we did one look test and I was like in these prints and these kurtas and the very like typical ethnic kind of look. And then we were like, you know, Shashank's idea actually was that, listen, let's soften her up and like give her this hair, you know, khulle baal
Right.
and all that kind of stuff. You don't expect that kind of a look. But consciously we tweaked everything about you know, the part that I was playing, and I actually like playing her like this.
Yeah.
That this is my job. I'm going to do it. If you get better, you get the kid. You don't get better, I see no improvement. I'm taking the kid away. Like it's literally that.
Yeah. It's like
And she's very
either.
right where she is.
Right,
She's
right,
not wrong,
right.
yeah.
Yeah, she's not
So you
wrong.
can't really. I mean, वो
Villain
नजरिया
वाला
वो
आप
हाँ,
है.
you can't put her in a like a gray area,
You
right?
can't,
Yeah, you
because
can't.
she's right.
She's either like either it is yes or it is a no, right?
Because उनके हाँ या ना पे एक बच्चे की लाइफ है तो बहुत सुंदर हो सकती है या बहुत बुरी
Yeah,
तरह
so
से
she has to
बिगड़
be
भी
careful,
सकती है.
yeah.
She has a lot of like
It's at stake.
responsibility.
But also the funny part is the place and time that the family's at. Yeah. They're doing the right things, but unfortunately she pops up at the wrong time.
right,
So
I know.
that's where the comic element also comes in.
Yeah.
So it's nice and it's nice. Yeah, it's not heavy, it's not loaded, but the
Yeah.
message is like, hey, you know, it's going to change a few things.
Yeah, absolutely. Sir and ma'am, when I watched the 2 episodes, I found your characters to be very relatable to like every parents out there. But I want to know how much relatable were these characters for both of you, and were there any similarities that you could find out between
In
the characters?
myself and the
Yeah, in yourself and the character.
No, I thankfully no. I don't know because I don't think my child is 16. He is not of an age where either he's getting married or he's having children, or so I can't say. Maybe at that age I might find something similar. I mean, there is something known as a quintessential mother, and I think you could be very different in your upbringing, but there are certain things that are common to all moms, and I think आपको जब तक उस सिचुएशन में नहीं डाला जाएगा, आपको नहीं पता आपके अंदर से क्या निकलने वाला है. तो फिलहाल तो मैं इतने बड़े बच्चे की माँ हूँ नहीं, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि अगर तब तक मेरे अंदर वही सब चीज़ें, वही सब वरीज, हाँ, द वरी फॉर योर चाइल्ड, द एंग्जाइटी अराउंड योर चाइल्ड, आई थिंक दैट्स कॉमन. I will worry for different reasons at this stage, but I will still want to be as protective, as careful, for the kid. I don't think I will be as socially conscious, just समाज and लोग, I think वो सब मुझे मायने नहीं रखता मेरे लिए. बट हाँ, बच्चे की ज़िंदगी के लिए मैं परेशान ज़रूर हूँ, तो शायद वो माँ भी वैसे ही है.
So how similar or different was this character for you to your real self?
सिमिलर, अब एकदम सिमिलर तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन हाँ ये भी है कि जिस तरह से मैं अपने फादर के साथ मेरे रिलेशन थे, या उनका जो समय था जब उस वक्त मेरी जब अपब्रिंगिंग हो रही थी, तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ वो कुछ चीज़ें हैं. क्या होता है कि आप प्रोडक्ट तो वही होते हैं जहाँ आपको पाला पोसा जाता है. कुछ चीज़ ऐसी होती है जिनको आप बोलते हैं यार ये मैं नहीं करूँगा या ये नहीं करना चाहिए,
जी.
लेकिन ऐसा होता है कि कुछ चीज़ें अंदर वो कुछ चीज़ें चली जाती हैं अंदर, सो कुछ रह जाता है, कुछ आप डिलीट कर देते हैं. तो अब ये कहने वाली बात है, लेकिन ऑनेस्टली अगर मेरा बेटा ले आए एक बच्चे को घर के अंदर, पापा मैं इसे अडॉप्ट करूंगा, तो मैं ऐसे तो नहीं होगा मैं वेरी लिबरल फादर, 2-3 और लिया बेटा. ये तो नहीं होगा ना.
Yeah.
ऑब्वियसली मतलब मैं उस तरह से भी रिएक्ट नहीं करूंगा कि ये क्या, मतलब हाँ, मतलब कहीं
बीच का कुछ.
कहाँ कहीं कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो आप उनको, और क्या होता है कि अंदर वो जो चीजें कुछ होती है, तो अब आपको ऐसा कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है, तो आपके अंदर ही है वो एक एलिमेंट,
Right.
एलिमेंट है, तो आप उस एलिमेंट को आप लेके आ जाते हैं कि ओके यही हूं मैं. समझ रहे ना आप.
जी.
आज के टाइम के हिसाब से उतना नहीं होऊंगा, लेकिन कुछ एलिमेंट तो है. आ तो
Yeah.
वहीं से रहा हूँ, तो कुछ एलिमेंट तो होंगे ही. तो उन एलिमेंट को आप एज एन एक्टर
उसको भुना
देते हैं कि अच्छा ये मेरा मेजर वो है.
हाँ.
So, उस तरह से कुछ रिलेटेबिलिटी होती है, और कुछ हम ढूंढते हैं, तभी वो चीज
Correct.
उसके अंदर
Honesty आती है.
उसका ट्रुथ आता है
वही.
सामने.
And I think audiences के लिए भी तभी relatable हो
तभी
जाती है.
रिलेटेबल. ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है, समझदार है. कोई भी आदमी देखेगा ना ये झूठ बोल रहा है, तो आपको उसको अपना ट्रुथ बनाना पड़ता है ना, कि ये मेरा ट्रुथ है. हाँ.
Yeah. And before we wrap this interview, I have a short rapid fire round, starting with you, Kunal. Which is the one family tradition you want to keep alive no matter what?
Family tradition that we have. I mean, we celebrate Shivratri is one of those things that we've always celebrated as a family, which I would want to continue doing.
Yeah. Ma'am, about you.
I mean,
Yeah, same.
Eid was at home, so we don't come from a highly religious family, but culturally we celebrated all festivals at home. So we do like a big Diwali, a big Eid, a big Christmas. I make an effort on all festivals. So festivals are important. So I think if as long as I can be around, if I'm not filming or doing theatre, जब मैं हूँ तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर festival को अच्छे से. So I do all festivals, and I would want to do all festivals all the time.
Sir, about you. Which one family tradition you want to keep alive?
फैमिली ट्रेडिशन में यही है यार, जो सब लोग मिले. जैसे मैं तो नहीं इनिशिएटिव उतना किसी चीज में, लेकिन जैसे सीमा है वो कुछ चीजें हैं, जैसे गणपति है, वो पिछले 25 साल जब से हम यहाँ रहे, 25-28 साल से वो रखती हैं, सब लोग इकट्ठा होते हैं. ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं जो फेस्टिवल्स जो हैं सब साथ में होने चाहिए, और सब पूरा परिवार, दोस्त, जितने लोग इकट्ठे हो सकें, वो जितना मैक्सिमम, तो मेरे से जितना वो होता है मैं वो कोशिश करता हूँ कि उनको हेल्प करूँ, मतलब.
Right. Right. Neha and Prajakta, to you.
1987 में मेरे मम्मा पापा पहली बार एक रेस्टोरेंट में गए थे स्प्रिंग रोल मसाला डोसा खाने, जो उनका पहला डेट था
Cute. So sweet.
16th फेब को. तब से हर साल 16th फेब को वो वहाँ जाके वो
wow,
डिश
that's
खाते हैं.
amazing.
There's a restaurant called Sai Krupa in Thane.
Yeah.
It's near Talao Padi. जब मैं हुई तो मैं भी जाने लगी. So I will always go there and eat spring roll masala dosa. on the 16th.
lovely. That's lovely.
मेरे को भी खाना है आपको. हाँ.
Neha, what about you?
Well, ours, apart from celebrating festivals, you know, like I was raised in a Fauji home, so Sundays is about doing nothing. So, मतलब हमारा अभी भी, like, you know, the four of us also, Sundays, no plans, do nothing, just be in your pajamas all day, and as much as you can, like, just be there with each other, and you know, like. Dinner is a very important thing. बात नहीं होती है आजकल इतना. Everything is so fast paced. You know, there was a time where dinners, meals were not traditions, but अब बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया. Phones away, and if they see us doing the same thing, they also are not on their gadgets. So that's very, very important. You know, वो बात करना, communicating with each other ना बहुत ज़रूरी.
That's
होता है.
essential.
It's very essential, and wherever I am, I'm just like I crave at the end of the day that dinner, that seat can't be empty if I'm working. You know, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है on work days. Yeah.
Absolutely. The next question is, Kunal, what is the one tradition you are secretly ready to retire? Like one family tradition.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ, इतने हैं नहीं हमारे से.
मैम.
मेरे भी कोई ऐसे ट्रेडिशंस नहीं है, तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली रिटायर तो कुछ करना नहीं है.
सर, कोई भी एक ट्रेडिशन जो आपको चाहिए कि अब बंद हो जाए.
नहीं आ रहा दिमाग में कुछ
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेटली.
Will
No, I want to retire.
Yeah,
man.
sure.
शगन के लिफाफे. ना आप दो ना हम देंगे, but it's that. मतलब
that's it,
the
that's
distant cousins and
Yeah.
all and relatives.
विदाई.
Yeah, no, I'm just like even when you see someone,
Yeah.
I'm like no, like we can end all of that and just like help someone who
मेरी फैमिली
needs.
में होता नहीं है.
Yeah. Prajakta, would you like to add? No. Okay, the next question is, who in your family gives the best advice and who gives the worst?
I think I give the best and worst.
Okay.
Think so.
Ma'am.
My husband gives very good advice.
So-
90%.
हम लोग अपना करते थे, लेकिन हाँ ये है कि जब से बच्चे बड़े हुए हैं, आई थिंक माई डॉटर, हम लोग दो
my son
बच्चों
gives
से
very good
पूछते हैं कि ये,
मेरे
तो
ऐसे।
आई थिंक वो मुझे लगता है कि कई बार वो बहुत अलग डिफरेंट और बहुत उसकी राय हम लोग समझते हैं कि
मानते
हाँ
हैं,
यार
हाँ।
ये
या।
अलग
नहीं, वैसे
सब
करिए
सब
भी।
बहुत प्रैक्टिकल सोल्यूशन लाई है. सो अभी रिसेंट इयर्स में जब से वो है कि वो अरे भाई ये हुआ अरे मन्नू से पूछ रहा है
Right.
वो क्या कहती है इस बारे में.
Yeah.
टू टेक द डिसीजन इट्स इजी.
Yeah. Prajakta.
बुरी एडवाइस तो नहीं. And I think my mama are both.
The best advice.
Yeah. I mean, I go to them all the time for everything. So.
Yeah. Fab. Neha.
I mean, if it's financial, then best advice is my mom, and if it's emotional, then my dad. Because, because I to have this thing कि उसने ऐसे किया, उसने ये किया, उसने I fly off the handle, and my dad is so non-confrontational. He'll be like, you know, first peace out, understand. Look within, understand your problem. तब तक look within में इतनी problems दिखाई देने लगती हैं that I'm like, yeah, maybe I was wrong. But financial advice, I think that, you know, to have my mom, she's a rock star with all those things.
But thank you so much everyone for
Thank you
doing this
very much.
conversation. It was
Yes.
lovely speaking with all of
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.